Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd talk about a couple of news stories that I'm not seeing anybody else talk about. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. And maybe later tonight, or not later tonight, but when I do dinner, I might do a video because it's probably going to be a pantry meal. Maybe some of that beef stew or chicken stew. Haven't decided yet, but the cold weather has arrived. I picked the rest of I left some out there, but cayenne peppers, and they're already turning red, and I'm going to lay them out on something to dry out, and we will grind them up into cayenne pepper. So the first story that I'm really not hearing anybody talk about are 12 countries have applied for the BRICS expansion. If this is accepted, the new proposed BRICS members would create an entity with a GDP of 30% larger than the United States, over 50% of the global population, and in control of 60% of global gas resources. We're already in a pickle with the US dollar because of our lack of drilling and being, part of the, losing our energy independence and being a seller in that area. So this would greatly damage it would completely destroy the value of the US dollar. So you may want to take that into consideration and whatever you feel is best for your household, and really prep up. There's a lot of food shortages happening out there, especially eggs. A lot of people are reporting that they can't get eggs. Deliveries are not being made of eggs. People are leaving the egg producing industry. So you may want to bump up your pantry staples. You can freeze eggs, scramble them up, put them in a container, do them in ones or twos for cooking, baking, or omelets, whatever you use them the most for. But in twos is usually the best. Put them in those silicone molds, work really well, and then bag them up and freeze them. I would vacuum seal them if you have a vacuum sealer. And then the second story is the head of U.S. Customs and Border Protection, Chris Mangus. He was told to either resign or be fired, and this is less than a year after he was confirmed. Apparently he's refusing to step down. His removal is part of a larger shakeup expected at Homeland Security as it struggles with migrants coming from Venezuela, Cuba, Nicaragua. So apparently they're doing this because there will be Republicans possibly taking over the House or Senate. We'll see how that all pans out. But so now they're talking about doing something. So I don't know. We'll see. I mean, what's your opinions on that? I mean, 5.5 million have already crossed the border. That's what we know of. That's not counting gotaways. That's not counting the ones that we don't know about that have crossed the border. So you have 5.5 million. And if I were you and struggling and facing homelessness, I would take issue with the fact that New York City built basically a city for migrants. They have TVs, they have a lounge area, they have an area to get food, they have sleeping quarters. I don't know if you've seen the photographs and the videos of this, but this is more than they've ever done for the American people and our veterans that are out there homeless. So as an American, especially if you're a struggling American, I would take issue with that. I mean, where are your quarters, your food, your place to rest your head and your children's head? I find that to be appalling that migrants are getting more services, more help than the American people. So, yeah, I would definitely work on your pantry if you haven't done that. I did find some deals on Amazon. I will post those down below as well with the articles to these stories. They did not have, they sold out of the 24 packs of the SpaghettiOs and meatballs, but they have the 12 pack for the same price, $11.44 a case. So that's it, you're just getting half the order. So same thing, just 12 instead of 24, exact same price. It was just double for the 24. And any other deals I find, I will post links for you down below. If you buy bulk from Amazon, they are running out of food. I can't even, like the canned meats, all that kind of stuff. They're pretty much running out of that on Amazon, so you may want to check your Sam's Club, things like that. Potatoes are already running out on store shelves, especially the non-perishables, the hash browns, mashed potatoes. Apparently a lot of the lower price brands, generics, things like that. I don't know that there's a generic dried hash brown. I've never seen that. I've only seen the Idaho, Idahoan, Hungry Jack. I don't think I have ever seen a generic hash brown brand. If you know of one, let us know down below, because I'm not aware of any like that. I do think Augustin Farms, I will look. I think they had their number 10 cans on sale, and they also have a vegetable mix on sale for 53% off. So I'll put links to those items down below so you can get some veggies and canned goods on the shelf if you haven't already, at, you know, what would be decent prices for these days. I mean, things have gotten so terribly expensive. And let me think, is there anything else? I may do the pantry meal video, put that up for you tomorrow. I need to can salsa. I picked the rest of the bell peppers, jalapenos, and things like that, so I need to do some salsa and spaghetti sauce. And I will be doing a recanning video of tomato sauce with the making spaghetti sauce and canning that up. So I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay warm. The cold has moved in, and I will see you all in the next video.